Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali khona uzothola zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Udaba okulethele lona namhlanje lithi-ke sekuvele-ke umfundisi laphana eshumayela izwi laphana ngegama le-MK laphana-ke ethi uZuma makabuye, ethi-ke sifuna umhlaba wethu-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke ukuthi mina wezwa ngami-ke ngikudlalela-ke ikliphu laphana-ke uyibonele wena-ke. Ngizosekucela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi ungene ema-comment section-ke uma usuyibukile le kliphu-ke ubhale ukuthi ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke leli-ke mase ucindezela nebhathini laphana-ke subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le kliphu-ke awuyithokozele.
Le MK lena enye into ehamba nabafundisi, enye into ehamba bathi induna, amakhosi.
Amen.
Into ehamba noNkulunkulu.
Amen.
Whatever changes enzakalayo South Africa, you can see there are changes in South Africa.
Amen.
Siyathandaza.
Amen. Amen.
Guidance kaNkulunkulu kumkhonto.
Amen.
Asihlukumezi abantu.
Amen.
Lento siyibiza i-political tolerance. We are not here to campaign. We are here to bury our comrades. But we've got the political tolerance. We are not here to attack any political party. We are not even here to boast about us like others are doing, trying to assert themselves as Bizum Konto or Dala Runjan. But those people are the ones who fail to deliver. Those people that were given a task, some of them they went to exile, they came back. Education for this youth. We fund the free education. We fund a crime pele. They're sitting there covering pele. Abuna crime pelayo. That's gender-based violence. Our first by rich mindset. Ukale is going up and down, doing nothing. The fund to sell food, and the only way to get what we want is to say, Mkondo, Buya Zuma, Buya! Buya!